Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to harvest chili peppers. First I will show you the chili pepper plants. While I am walking through the chili pepper plants and harvesting chili peppers, I will let you know how I grew chili pepper plants. This year I have started sowing seeds in the indoor in our grow room in March 18th. After two four leaves came up, I transplanted the seedlings to another medium-sized plastic cups. I poured liquid fertilizer contains more nitrogen in every watering week in the indoor to feed the seedlings. After 7 weeks growing indoor, I hardened the plants by keeping the seedling plants outside 30 minutes to few hours daily for a week when outside temperature was warm before replanting them in the raised bed outdoor. After 8 weeks growing indoor, I planted the chili pepper plants outdoor in the raised bed in May 7th. Now I am harvesting chili peppers. For planting, I dig a deep, wider hole and filled with the compost, fertilizer, and one egg. Then I planted a chili pepper plant and poured water. I did the same method of planting for all other chili pepper plants. After planting, I poured water alternative days to keep the soil moist to develop roots. I added organic all purpose fertilizer and compost around the chili pepper plants when the plants were grown to 8 to 10 inches tall. Whenever I sprinkled the fertilizer around the plants, I poured water immediately and daily for 7 days to avoid any heat effect from the fertilizer. Monthly once, I sprinkled organic all-purpose fertilizer around the chili pepper plants. I used rich in phosphorus and potassium and less in nitrogen fertilizer to feed the plants. I poured water regularly in every 3 days to keep the soil moist. Moreover, I haven't applied any pesticides to the plants during the growing period since I have planted marigolds in the raised beds to protect the plants from insects. I completed the chili peppers harvest today. Next, I am going to pack the harvested chili peppers in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge today so that I can store it in the freezer for later use. Overall, I am very happy about the chili peppers harvest today. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Gardens channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.